3-piece set. This 3-piece set comes with small, medium and large splatter screens, so that you always have the right-sized splash guard for every pot, pan or skillet. It's a great gift for any home cook or chef. Stainless steel, constructed from beautiful, rust-resistant and durable stainless steel, these splatter screens are the perfect long-lasting and easy-to-care for kitchen tools. Looped handles. These handy kitchen utensils conveniently feature long looped handles for easy hanging storage. Less mess. The fine mesh on these splatter screens helps prevent grease, oil, sauce, or any other liquid from splashing out onto your stovetop while you are cooking. Keep your stove and kitchen cleaner with these useful kitchen accessories. Top reviews from the United States. Splatter no matter. Not much to say. Arrived on time, very well constructed, sturdy, and they work like a charm. Cooking things that pop and crack and grease up your stove is now made incredibly easier. Lids steam the food and you can't judge the degree of cooking progress. With these you see the food as it cooks. I worried that the splatter would outfox the screen and some would escape, but apparently the design prevents that. Best of all, drop it in the dishwasher on its side, and it's clean and ready to return to duty. Good product, and I like that there are 3 sizes in the pack to conform to various pans.